Hey Brewers, it's Friday again, and I'm getting fucked up with my...
Watch your language.
It's my show, okay? I can't change the name just because you're sensitive.
What a bet.
Okay, so the new show name is Messed Up Mondays.
All right then.
All right, fine. So this is my ma, Carol, for all you disrespectful people, but otherwise, ma. Okay. So as you may know, I was in Vegas a little bit, and we did a little bit of a trip down through to the Grand Canyon and whatnot. I stopped in Seligman, Arizona.
Seligman?
Seligman. Yeah.
How big is
Rolls.
Seligman?
It's a very small town. Rolls off the tongue just nicely, but met some ranchers, met some very interesting people. Went to this place called the Roadkill Cafe. You might be able to see it really small on there. I always thought that was a fake place that they just like made up and sold t-shirts for, but no, it's a real place. And we stayed in Seligman, Arizona, had dinner, and then breakfast at the Roadkill Cafe, because it's fucking awesome.
Does it say, oh yeah, you kill him, we grill him?
You kill him, we grill him. And like all the stuff is named after like the chicken who almost crossed the road, shit like that. For real. So anyway, I found this. I'm like, ooh, beer bottle. Plus it's a bomber. You don't see those that much anymore.
Oh yeah.
Turns out it's bread mix. And I thought, what a better way to do something with my Mac. She doesn't really drink beer. Than make some bread that I don't know how to do.
Beer
I know
bread.
how to make this, not this. But the instructions here make it look pretty easy. Even I might be able to.
Well,
do
the
it.
instructions are minimal. Stir together.
This is my level of instructions. So what are we gonna do? Yeah, stir it together.
Well, so we have to have the room temperature beer.
So yeah, this is a nice mug of nice hot water because I figured I'd bring some nice ice cold Skulls Lights, but that's not what the yeast wants. I mean, I understand yeast. I should have figured that one out. So yeah, basically stir together 1 bottle of beer bread mix. That's this. 1 can of beer, 12 ounce. That's this. At room temperature.
Oh, we didn't preheat the oven.
Oh yeah. It doesn't say we have to preheat the oven.
We always have to preheat the oven.
Oh. See, it's on my mask. Okay. Should we preheat the oven? Maybe let's preheat the oven.
Well, you do it because it's your oven.
Okay. Pretty sure I know how to do that. I might have to call the wife.
You're on standby.
Bake. Yeah, there we go. Bake. What does it say? Tree fitty? Tree fitty.
Start. Look at that.
Done.
What a team.
Fancy.
Okay, we need a bottle opener, dear. I'm sure you have one of those.
Oh, I got a lighter. Oh, I actually got one of these things that get you in trouble with the cops. The old bottle opener on your keys. From our friends at Muskoka Brewing.
All right. Okay, well, I'm going to try and pour this in there. Hopefully it comes out. Pretty sure this is good arm exercise.
This looks like
I feel these muscles.
this looks
working.
like something from the Bradley Montana episode, eh? We got the cocaine.
Oh, still more.
Still going. So is this gonna it doesn't look like a lot of bread.
Well, it's supposed to go,
Like, are we making some croissants or is this gonna be like the consistency of cornbread?
No, I think it'll be like the consistency.
That is a treat from the American South that you don't see often up here.
I have a good recipe for cornbread, but I think this will be like Irish soda bread. It's a raised bread, but it doesn't have yeast in it. Mind you, there's yeast in the beer.
Yeah, but I mean, we're talking.
But there's
very
just the
minute
same
amount.
kind of leavenings as like a non-yeast bread in this. That's my Martha Stewart.
All right, we're gonna have to get in on. We're gonna have to get some bread. Maybe this is a new channel.
I don't think so. Okay, you're ready with our
All right, ready with our
warm beer?
Yeah, it is now approximately room temperature. Gave it first. Holding warm beer just makes me gross. Let's have a little drinky poo. All right. Matt wanted me to remind y'all that we actually sell wine stuff too. And this is some stuff I made. My mom has self-control. I made this a couple years ago.
2019.
2019. This is pre-pandemic vintage. This is some expensive shit right here. Yeah, she keeps them until they're good and then brings them back to me so we can drink them.
So, yeah. So this is this is a particularly good one. It aged very well.
Nice little cab sav. All right.
Yeah.
All right, here's our warm Skulls Light, which I have not sampled yet. And a whole can, eh?
Yeah, 12 ounces.
All right. Look at them studs.
Oh, wow.
All right, party bowl, where's the funnel? That would be nasty, right? Like, just...
Ugh.
Okay, you want to stir it, Matt?
Oh, it smells beery.
Smells beery and yeasty. These are things that I am used to.
Yeah, we don't want to overstir it, but I think we need to make sure all the flour's incorporated.
Is that like a trick? You don't want to overstir?
Yeah, with I would call this a quick bread because it's not one that you have to let rise and knead and all that. So yeah, you don't want to beat the hell out of it. I know language.
Ma, my ears.
Okay, you want to scrape it.
Okay, so that's it.
That's it. Scrape it into the pot.
I should have bought a whole 6-pack of these, 24-pack. All right, now we scrape it into the pot to get the Skulls Light out of the way.
So you can use this if you want. We have multiple implements.
We got the tools. We got the tools. All right, let's get that spatula happening. Yeah. Yeah, this reminds me of when I was a kid, Mom. I don't think I want to lick the spatula on this one, though.
Sure.
Yeah, I'll do it anyway. This is for science.
Science. Does it taste beery and bready? Or
It's
floury?
kind of like I just sucked on a Tylenol.
Ew, gross.
Yeah. Get all the goodies in there. Very OCD. I gotta get it all.
Oh yeah, I do that too.
Like all.
You must have got that from me.
Well, thanks a lot.
The bowl must be cleaned out.
Yes.
I notice on the cooking shows they don't do that, and I think it's very wasteful.
It's because it's not even real.
Good
Right.
job.
There we go. Ma says I did a good job.
We'll just give it a little pat there. Now what are we supposed to do?
Greased standard loaf pan.
Yeah, check. 350 for 50 to 60
What did we
minutes.
grease it with?
I don't know, Stacy greased it.
Oh, like 5:30.
And then, okay, so let's bake it.
All right.
We can eat it later.
We're not even fully heated yet.
Oh my. Either
Come on, Samsung, get your shit together.
Either we're very fast or your oven is very slow.
I think it's us. All right, so we've hit our preheating. 350. I ain't getting you on goddamn 350, but I'll give you this Tylenol tasting shit. We're gonna put it in there.
Yep, we're
Maya,
ready.
you wanna take care of that? All right.
We're ready.
I need some Skulls Light.
Oh, ha, ooh, yep, there. Okay. It's in. It's in. Ooh. Let's not let the heat out. There we go. Now, how do we set the timer?
That's the timer. So we should
I'm
start
gonna
at
go to
50.
50.
50. Yeah. Boom.
It's in. So what are we gonna have with this?
I was gonna say that's what she said, but not with my ma here.
Oh. Oh, the bread's almost done.
Oh, well, not before I have myself a little sippy poo of some of this pre-pandemic wine. It's kind of like pre-war wine even. You know? Pre-war.
Oh, it's a.
Cabernet Sauvignon.
It is. This is a.
It's
good,
a beaut.
Yeah, it's really a good one. It's got beautiful color.
Clarity.
I,
As you can tell, my wine skills are not nearly as high as my beer skills. We're going to do videos shortly. We're going to try and make homebrew champagne, and let's just see what people have to say about that.
well, yeah. So Brad made this for his mom. 5 years ago.
And she didn't drink it. She just saved it for
I
us to have this
saved it.
special moment together. Oh!
Woohoo!
There we go! All right. Get some. Oh, look at these cute little things here. All right, enough. All right.
Oh, it looks good.
Oh, it looks like bread, y'all. All right, boom.
We're right there.
And put it right down there. Get the vino out the way.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
And there you have it. Roadkill Cafe beer bread. It's probably a little hot for us right now, so maybe we'll try it in a little bit.
Original beer bread, not just beer bread.
Oh, So what's the modern beer bread?
Don't know. Now we just have to wait before we can eat it.
Ma says it's done. I don't know. It looks.
It feels done.
Yeah, looks like bread.
That's how I'm assessing it.
All right. So for celebration, I'm gonna slam this and this.
Here, let me drink your wine. Because I lost mine. Thank you.
But you're gonna pound it with me?
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm not going to pound it. I don't want to have a headache tomorrow. Got stuff to do.
Oh, in front of your mom.
I thought I taught you manners.
It's part of the show.
Oh.
Look at oh.
What kind of son did I raise?
No one can chug a beer faster than me. That's what kind of son you raised.
So proud.
All right, so I got myself fresh beer. Me and my ma just pinched this loaf off here a minute ago. And we're gonna go cut it. Apparently it's still smoking hot, so I'm gonna use my
They are cutting
Mickey
it
Mouse.
against my recommendation. I want you all to know.
The show must go on. All right.
That is so weird. Why did you cut from that end? You always cut from this end.
What the?
Look, that's because look what you have to do. You have to put that arm
Hey,
over
the
that
camera's got to see it, okay? It's all about the camera.
arm. Oh, that looks good. Good texture.
Yeah, nice and thick. She's a thick one. Little steamy.
Whew.
Oh yeah, definitely could have waited a minute though, but... Oh, I can feel the steam on my wrist. All right, the whole family's here to watch a Jets game, so I'm just gonna cut this whole thing. Oh, it's steamy.
Well, you don't have to cut it all. Just, you know.
All right, that's enough. All right, look at the steam. Oh, mon.
Oh,
All
there
right.
we go. Woo, woo.
Let's have a smell, all right? There we go. Smells good. Can I smell Skull's Light in there? Not really. But let's see if we can detect some flavor when we put some butter on there. You gotta have the Mickey Mouse, Mom. See that wine and a couple of chugs of Skull's Light starting to kick in.
We're putting some butter on it.
Nice little sippy poo, some Prairie Common while we wait for the butter. Non-such.
All of the peeps.
Mm.
There we
Mark, Matt, loves.
go. Okay, there you go. It's really hot. I don't know if you can actually eat it, but
Okay.
go for it.
All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's ready to go. It's pretty hot. But, it's delicious. Beer goodness. Should have done a side by side. It's not sciencey enough. Should have done one with the Prairie Common and one with this.
Well, there's other beer bread recipes. We can try other ones.
We might have to. What do you think, Mac?
It's got a really nice texture.
Yeah, this is a beaut.
Very tender.
Something to soak up all that booze I've been drinking.
Oh.
Okay, until next time, don't get too f***ed up.
Remember what I told you.
Come on.